Let us talk about mutual funds. What is a mutual fund? In a mutual fund, money is collected from various sources and it is managed by a professional fund manager. Let us understand this with the story of Mr. Smart Investor. Mr. Smart Investor used to think a lot. One day he started thinking about his own money. He came across a lot of questions. I don't have any professional knowledge. How will I handle the investment of my money efficiently? How can I diversify to reduce the risk? Will anyone allow me to invest such a small amount in their investment options? He had various options to invest in: equities, bonds, other securities. He thought a lot, and finally came up with a brilliant idea of investing his money. An idea of investing his money in a mutual fund. A mutual fund is basically a collection of money from a large number of investors. The money which is collected is used by a fund manager to invest into different types of securities. What are the types of mutual funds? The first type is an equity mutual fund, which invests in the shares or equities of companies. The second type is a debt mutual fund. A debt fund invests in debt products that could be government securities or in corporate debt. The third type is a money market fund. This fund invests in very short-term debt products. The fourth type is a hybrid or a balanced fund, which can invest in a combination of equity and debt, and even in gold. Now, how does a mutual fund work? It's a very simple cycle. The investors pool in their money into the mutual fund. The fund manager uses these funds to invest in securities. These securities generate returns over a period of time. These returns are given back to the investors. How did mutual funds prove beneficial to Mr. Smart Investor? Firstly, they diversified his investments, and thus it reduced his risk. The investments in mutual fund are liquid, and hence you can invest more amount of money into them anytime and even withdraw from it. It facilitated professional management of his investment through a fund manager, and he could invest in small amounts of money regularly. In a mutual fund you can even invest amounts of rupees 500. And thus Mr. Smart Investor proved his smartness again and became happy among all. We hope you enjoyed listening about mutual funds. Thank you.